How to reset Oppo device. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can factory reset Oppo phone. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all you just need to go to your phone settings. Okay, after going to phone settings, just scroll down. This type of interface will be pop up on your Oppo device. Now here you'll get one option, system and updates. Simply click on system and updates, and then here you'll get lots of options. So here you can see one option will be available, backup and reset option. Simply you need to click on this, and then here you can see on the bottom you can see reset phone. Simply you need to click on reset phone, and then here you can see you'll get lots of options. So here if you want a factory reset, if you want to reset everything, then you just need to click on this erase all data. So just you need to click on it, and then your phone will be completely new. Your phone will be completely reset. I mean factory reset. Everything will be erased, and then your phone will be back to the normal new phone. So this is how you can factory reset on Oppo device, all the Oppo device. Thanks for watching.